Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to replace the toilet paper holder. For replacing it, I have the Allen wrench in here, the two of them. It depends which one is working for me, which one I can use. Um, there's nothing wrong with this toilet paper holder, the one that is in the bathroom right now, but I'm going to replace it to a different type. It's a newer version. So this is the instruction. I don't need it. Usually it's coming with the three pieces, and this is the piece that holds the toilet paper, and it goes in the middle, which is I'm going to show you guys later after installing it. This is the right side, and the other piece is for the left side. Okay, my friends, now I have everything ready. I'm going to set up my camera somewhere else. Be back. Hello, and I'm back. Thanks for being with me. And once again, if it's your first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For replacing the paper towel holder, I'm using this Allen wrench, and this is the easy one. Sometimes we have different types. Sometimes we have to use the flathead screwdriver, the smallest one. But for this one, I need the Allen wrench, and I'm using the number 2. For opening it up, I'm using the Allen wrench, and I'm twisting it unclockwise right now until it gets loose and I can take it out and remove it. Okay, now I feel like it's losing enough that I can take it out. There we go. And we do the same thing with the right side. I'm twisting the Allen wrench right now unclockwise to opening it up. Uh-oh. Now there's 4 screws. I'm going to bring my drill. Okay. And it's holding the brackets, which is one by one I'm going to remove it. This is a new bracket that is coming with a new toilet paper holder, which is kind of look like the same like the other one, but a little bit different. And I'm not going to use these. I'm throwing it away because usually when I'm working in the drywall, I'm using that, but not right now. I'm going to put the brackets in the same position as it was before because the size are the same. It's just the look a little different. The screws that is coming with it, I usually don't use it when I'm installing the toilet paper holder and the cabinet because it's way longer. For that, I'm going to use the old screws that it was in the old bracket. Sometimes I have newer screws with me that I'm going to use, but right now, since all of them is good, I can use the old screws for this. Now I'm going to install the first bracket in the drywall. I really like about my drill because it's magnetic, and sometimes when I'm doing something, the screws is not falling. I really like it, especially when I'm installing the blinds. It's coming really handy. So after securing the brackets, now it's the time for the two left and right sides of the toilet paper holder, which it has a small screw in the bottom. And the good thing is the new toilet paper holder that I have, it's coming with its own tool with the Allen wrench, and it's perfect size for it, and I'm using that right now. Before installing it, and we have to loosen up the small screw a little bit, and usually I like to put the screw in the bottom, not at the top, which is you guys can see right now. I am going to tighten the screw in the bottom. Some people like to put it backwards, they put the screw on the top, but for me I don't like it. Usually I cover the screw in the bottom so no one can see. In this unit I replaced most of the stuff like curtain rod, towel holder, toilet paper holder, sink, shower head, like most of the stuff, because we are doing the remodeling, and I have to replace all the things. So right now the right side of the toilet paper holder is secure and it's good to go. And right now I'm going to install the left side. Well, I sometimes I do it because it's my stress reliever. Okay, we are going to do the same thing. We are loosening it up a little bit, the screw in here. We're gonna do the same thing right now, trying to secure the left side of the toilet paper holder. And sometimes it's getting really frustrating for me when I'm trying to replace a toilet paper holder or a towel holder. It gets really rusty because of all the moisture in the bathroom, and the window is not opened all the time, and there's no air fresh and coming inside and outside. That's why everything is getting really rusty. Okay, so right now we installed the left side too. It's completely secured. Everything looks good and we're good to go. And thank you everyone for watching. And once again, if you really like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful